Hello, it's Macy from Stage 7 Design. Today, we're going to cover the benefits of staging your home. First, what exactly is home staging? A home stager's job is to enhance a home to attract potential buyers, but also, as Stage 7's founder, Sam Carson states, home staging is creating an environment in which people feel at home. The first reason to stage includes your home's value and time on the market. Your home will sell faster if staged. According to the Mortgage Reports, a staged home sells 73% faster on average. Homes are more likely to get walkthroughs and buyers are more appealed to the newer, trendier home. The second benefit of staging your home is it provides a mental picture for the potential buyer. If they can see what the house looks like at its very best, they can certainly know what they want for their future home. At Stage 7 Design, many clients see their newly renovated home for the first time and immediately wish they could move back. The frequently asked question, "Honey, why are we moving?" never gets old. It often gets repeated. Who knew your home could look this good? If you didn't, your buyer probably won't either. The third and final benefit of home staging is giving future buyers a good impression of the house. A home that looks nice and feels comfortable will attract buyers. If paint is chipping, floors are dented, or carpets are stained, furnishings can distract from the minor flaws to bring out the absolute best of the house.